Are you curious about the future of graphics? Look no further than AI. That's right, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create, design, and experience graphics. From computer generated art to machine learning algorithms that can design on their own. AI is shaping the future of graphics in the ways we never thought possible. So join us as we dive deep into the cutting edge technology and explore the exciting ways AI is transforming the graphics industry. After Midjourney, there are a number of platforms which are converting text into images. Now there is a one more method, that is Adobe Firefly. So now in this video we are gonna explore Adobe Firefly, and in this video we are gonna learn what we can do by using the Adobe Firefly. And there are two options, text to image and text to effect. If Adobe industry is also in AI, then you can imagine what they can do, how they can revolutionize the industry of graphic designs, because they have number of softwares. Now they are implementing AI in every software. So let's learn Firefly. Now there are two options in Adobe Firefly beta version. Text to image and text to effects are working only. First, let's check the text to image. So click on generate. If you want to create your own design, then you can put anything, put any information, and just click on generate. It will create an image. But for now we are gonna use ChatGPT. We need to ask ChatGPT to create some amazing ideas for the image, and for that let's click on any image in the Firefly. Let's say this one, and copy the command of this picture in ChatGPT, paste that line, then ask the ChatGPT to create. Now ChatGPT will give us ideas so that we can create more and more images. And you can also use Firefly in your daily routine work if you are doing graphic design. Again, visit the text to image and simply describe image you want to generate. Simply paste that information and click on generate. It is generating the image. In Firefly, like in Midjourney, we have to tell them everything like the dimensions, size, and what kind of things we need. But in this there are options in Firefly on the right side, like the ratio, 4:3, 3:4 square, or widescreen, what kind of image is needed. Let's say widescreen is required, so it will create the widescreen image. And what kind of style is required, I'll simply click on popular. I don't want to change this style. Then color tone, yeah, color tone can also be changed. Like for that, warm tone would be fine. Lighting, I want dramatic lighting for that. No, not dramatic, golden hour. Composition none. Simply click on generate. That's really beautiful. AI is creating images for us. Simply click on anywhere. And if you want to download, there is option to download that image, but it would show you a notification like this image is created by AI. So that's why it is showing that, like when you are going to download this one, then it will show that particular credentials, that particular content on the image. But you can remove that by using Photoshop. Like in this one, it is showing that Adobe Firefly beta image not commercial use. Definitely it's not for the commercial use, but we can do that by just manipulating little things by Adobe Photoshop. Old car, with crunch background and lighting, color I want a black and white, and dramatic lighting, I need this. Then simply click on generate. Try text effects. Again, we are gonna do the same things in that, and go drip paint, enter text, and our text would be, let's say, love. It is generating. In this there are some of the, wow, that's nice. There are some sample effects, and you can change the font style, and you can also play with the color. So this is how you can create the text effects in Adobe Firefly. So this is it for today's video. This is how AI is going to revolutionizing the industry of graphic design. It may destroy the many of the jobs of graphic designers. So it's the best time to improve yourself. Spend time on yourself, learn about the AI. For that, you just need to visit PIXIPACE. On PIXIPACE, you'll find everything related to AI, related to future technology, and related to past technology, and related to facts about the graphics, and related to facts about the technology. Everything you'll find on the PIXIPACE. And for that, you just need to subscribe PIXIPACE. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.